Hi guys, it's Ramon Arciniega, sales professional with Permian Ford. Thank you for browsing our inventory.
Stop by and take a look at the 2014 Toyota Tundra. Tundra has a number of unique features useful for those using it as a work truck, including extra-large door handles, a deck rail system, and an integrated tow hitch. Included as standard are vehicle stability control, traction control, electronic brake force distribution, anti-lock brakes, and tailgate assist. With a towing capacity of up to 10,000 plus pounds and a payload capacity of over 2,000 pounds, the Tundra is the perfect mix of power and efficiency. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated mirrors, alloy wheels, power mirrors, traction control, fog lights, remote keys, tire pressure monitor, power seats, heated seats, satellite radio. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.
Thank you for browsing our inventory. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 575-393-6176.